would like to touch that the different stars, we have three categories now. Fruit parade, cultural and one more. We selected some strategy that we want that this super effective and visualize the community. So some of this give and return, which brings love. So we should love that we love.
Strawberry Festival ay talagang hindi ang direction natin. So, ang mga float natin ay nanggaling pa sa mga barangays. So, we coordinated with barangays with two categories. Yung isa, yung value colors, meaning yung mga flowers, meditations, at yung isa ay environment, meaning recycle. In barangays kami sumali, and of course, may tatlo from the community. Ngayon, 10 o'clock pa lang nagbukas na yung traffic dahil nasa mas malawak na tayong venue. Last year kasi we utilized the whole stretch of the KM5 to KM6 area. Right now, we partnered with DSU, providing us with a wider venue for the performances. That's why the traffic is not that bad. Right now, some of the events are harmonized. Like this one, we will have the Battle of the Bands also here at the BSC.
Hawak po siya ng aming barangay po. Like, kung stay federation po ng Bataan, natulungan lang po sila ng budget po for the props. And it's nag-perform po yun not less than 50 po. Pero sa grupo ko po is marami po kami. Level ngayon kasi yung venue natin is oval na. Mas marami na tayong audience. Para nung last na siksikan po sila sa venue po natin nung last. Ngayon po kasi mas malawak na, mas marami po nakakanood.
Medyo po, masaya naman. At the same time po nakakabahan. Excited. Mag-try. Talaga po, i-try nila kasi quite opportunity. Hindi po pwede value once na time.